Welcome to Touring Globe. Transform your travel experience with these hacks. Traveling can be one of the most enriching experiences in life, providing opportunities to explore new cultures, meet new people, and create lasting memories. However, the process of planning and executing a trip can often feel overwhelming. Fortunately, with a few smart hacks, you can transform your travel experience from stressful to seamless. Here are some tips and tricks to enhance your journeys and make the most out of every adventure. 1. Use technology to your advantage. Travel apps. In today's digital age, countless apps are designed to simplify travel. From flight trackers to translation tools, using technology can make a significant difference. Apps like Google Maps or Citymapper can help you navigate unfamiliar cities, while Skyscanner and Hopper can aid in finding the best flight deals. Virtual reality previews. Before you even pack your bags, consider using virtual reality apps to preview destinations. This can help you visualize the places you want to visit and plan your itinerary more effectively. 2. Pack smart. Packing cubes. One of the biggest challenges of traveling is packing. Invest in packing cubes to keep your luggage organized. These cubes allow you to compartmentalize your clothes, toiletries, and other essentials, making it easier to find what you need without unpacking everything. The roll it technique. Instead of folding your clothes, roll them. This technique not only saves space but also minimizes wrinkles. Plus, it allows you to see everything at a glance when you open your suitcase. 3. Travel during off-peak times. If your schedule allows, consider traveling during off-peak times. Flights and accommodations are often significantly cheaper, and tourist attractions are less crowded. This can lead to a more enjoyable experience, allowing you to appreciate your surroundings without the hustle and bustle of peak season. 4. Leverage loyalty programs. Sign up for airline and hotel loyalty programs even if you don't travel frequently. These programs often offer benefits such as free upgrades, early check-in, and exclusive discounts. Many credit cards also provide travel rewards that can be redeemed for flights, hotel stays, and other travel-related expenses. 5. Localize your experience. Eat like a local. Instead of dining at tourist traps, seek out local eateries. Research food blogs or ask locals for their recommendations. Not only will you enjoy authentic cuisine, but you may also discover hidden gems that aren't listed in travel guides. Use public transport. Utilizing public transportation can immerse you in local life. It's often more economical than taxis or rideshares and offers a genuine glimpse into the culture of your destination. Plus, you might meet interesting people along the way. 6. Plan for connectivity. Portable Wi-Fi. Staying connected while traveling is essential for navigation, communication, and research. Consider renting a portable Wi-Fi device or purchasing a local SIM card to ensure you have reliable internet access throughout your trip. Download offline maps. Before you travel, download maps for the areas you'll be visiting. Many mapping apps allow you to save maps offline, which can be invaluable in areas with limited internet connectivity. 7. Prioritize health and safety. Travel insurance. Investing in travel insurance can save you from unexpected financial burdens. Whether it's trip cancellations, medical emergencies, or lost luggage, having insurance can provide peace of mind. Stay hydrated and healthy. During your travels, it's easy to forget about your health. Keep a reusable water bottle handy and stay hydrated, especially during flights. Pack healthy snacks to avoid unhealthy airport food and maintain your energy levels. 8. Document your journey. Traveling is not just about the destinations we visit, it's also about the experiences we gather along the way. Each trip becomes a part of our personal narrative, a collection of memories that shape who we are. In an era where sharing moments has become second nature, documenting your journey can transform the way you travel, enriching your experiences and allowing you to connect more deeply with both your surroundings and the people you meet. The power of documentation. In a world dominated by social media, the concept of documenting travel is not new. However, the value of keeping a personal record goes far beyond just posting pictures on Instagram or checking in at popular locations. Documenting your journey can take many forms: journals, blogs, photo albums, or even video diaries, and each method offers a unique way to engage with your travel experience. Reflection and mindfulness. One of the primary benefits of documenting your travels is the opportunity for reflection. Taking the time to write about your experiences encourages you to slow down and appreciate the moments you might otherwise overlook. By reflecting on your day-to-day adventures, you can cultivate mindfulness, savoring the sights, sounds, and flavors that make your journey unique. Journaling can help you process your thoughts and emotions while traveling, allowing you to connect with the places you visit on a deeper level. When you take the time to articulate your feelings and experiences, you foster a more profound understanding of different cultures and environments. This not only enhances your travel experience but also helps you grow as an individual. Building connections. Documenting your journey also opens doors to building connections with others. When you share your stories and experiences, whether through social media, blogs, or travel forums, you invite others to engage with your narrative. This can lead to meaningful conversations, friendships, and even collaborative travel opportunities. Moreover, when you document your experiences, you create a resource for fellow travelers. Your insights, recommendations, and personal anecdotes can help others navigate their journeys, making travel more accessible and enjoyable for everyone. By sharing your perspective, you become part of a larger travel community that values the diverse experiences of each individual. Creating lasting memories. One of the most beautiful aspects of documenting your travels is the ability to create lasting memories. While photos capture fleeting moments, journaling or blogging allows you to delve into the stories behind those images. When you look back at your travel documentation, you're not just reminded of where you went, you're reminded of how you felt, what you learned, and the people you met along the way. Consider incorporating various mediums into your documentation. Combine written reflections with photos, sketches, or even voice recordings. This multifaceted approach enriches your narrative, allowing you to relive your travels in a more immersive way. When you look back on your journey years later, you'll have a treasure trove of memories that evoke the essence of your adventures. Inspiring others. When you document your journey, you have the power to inspire others to embark on their own adventures. Your stories can motivate friends, family, and fellow travelers to explore new destinations, try unfamiliar cuisines, or engage in cultural experiences they may not have considered before. By sharing your journey, you contribute to a culture of exploration and curiosity. Social media platforms, travel blogs, and personal websites offer excellent avenues to share your travel experiences. Whether through stunning photography or captivating storytelling, you can capture the attention of an audience eager to learn from your adventures. You might even spark a desire for someone else to experience the transformative power of travel. Embracing the unexpected. Travel is inherently unpredictable, filled with unexpected twists and turns. Documenting your journey can help you embrace these uncertainties. When plans go awry or you find yourself in an unfamiliar situation, having a record of your experiences can provide perspective and insight. Rather than viewing setbacks as inconveniences, you can frame them as part of your unique story, learning valuable lessons along the way. Moreover, documenting challenges and triumphs alike can foster resilience. It serves as a reminder that every travel experience, whether good or bad, contributes to your growth and understanding of the world. Conclusion. Traveling should be a joyful and enriching experience, not a source of stress. By incorporating these hacks into your travel routine, you can enhance your adventures and create memories that will last a lifetime. From packing smarter to embracing local cultures, each tip can contribute to a more fulfilling journey. So pack your bags, embark on your next adventure, and make the most out of every moment. Safe travels. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch our video. We truly appreciate your support and hope you found the content enjoyable and informative. Your engagement means the world to us, and it motivates us to keep creating more videos for you. If you liked what you saw and want to stay updated on our latest releases, please consider subscribing to our channel. By subscribing, you not only support our work but also join a community of like-minded individuals who share your interests. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Your feedback is always welcome, so feel free to leave comments on what you'd like to see next. Thanks again for watching, and we look forward to sharing more amazing content with you soon. See you in the next video.